What is up, my guys? Today I'm going to show you how to swap out the mag release on a M&P 2.0. So first thing, make sure there's none of those death pills in there, aka bullets. We're good. Okay, rack it, lock it, pull the lever, rack it, pull the trigger, take off the slide. All right, check it out. Right there, you'll see that pin there. We just have to remove that pin. It's like a springy pin. So you get a little screwdriver and you're going to push. I like to actually turn this around this way. It's just easier to kind of manipulate. You're going to push it away and out. And now, as you can see, the pin has been dislodged from this little lock area. Now all you have to do is start to remove the magazine release. It's starting to come out. There might be a bit of, you have to pull it a little bit to get it out because the spring is still kind of in the way of one of the catches. You can pull the spring back as you pull the mag release, but eventually if you just yank hard enough, it'll just come out. All right, so there it is. And then put it back in whichever way. So if you want the mag release on the right side, if you're, say, a lefty like myself, you put it in from, if you want the mag release on the right side where your thumb is, you want to put it in from the left, and then vice versa. So if you're right-handed, you want to put it in from the right so that you can have it on the left side. So now to place it back in, you put it in, and that pin's going to be there fighting you on the way back in. As you can see, the pin is right there. So you just slide it in, and then you can grab, as you push, you just grab the little screwdriver and just kind of pull it out. And if you push hard enough, it will just go back in the center where it was before. And now all you have to do is lock it back by pushing it back into that little hole. And you are good to go. Then put your slide back on, line it up, lock it, lever back, rack it, good to go. All right, see you guys next time. Like, subscribe, leave a comment, all that good stuff. I'll see you guys later.